Hi, I'm Lola. Welcome back to CISM. Today we're going to be taking a look at Capilano University. Located in North Vancouver, CapU is surrounded by beautiful forests and yet is only 30 minutes from downtown Vancouver's vibrant restaurants, shopping, and arts and culture scene. Attracting students from all around the world, Capilano is home to more than 2,500 international students from 80 countries. Offering traditional university programs including philosophy, English, and physics, CapU also offers unique fields of study like outdoor recreation management and motion picture arts. A fully accredited public university, your credits will be recognized around the world, whether you're interested in pursuing graduate studies or employment in Canada or beyond. This also means you'll be eligible to apply for your post-graduation work permit after you've completed your program's requirements. Capilano University has a wide range of free services for international students, from immigration advising, admissions and academic advising, counseling services, a leadership and mentor program, and study abroad opportunities. If you're interested in exploring arts and sciences, business and professional studies, education, health and human development, fine and applied arts, or global and community studies, check out CapU. Thanks for watching, everyone, and be sure to subscribe and check out CISM's other great videos like this one. See you next time.